All right, so the pool filter explodes. Go check it out. Hey, house. I go check it out, then find out it's got splits. You might have seen that video. But there's a silver lining. So I needed to take the filter deal off. Normally I crank on it with a socket wrench and everything, but I decided, okay, let me just go down and get the adapter so I can use the drill, take it off easy. Go down to Lowe's, and while I'm at Lowe's, turn the corner, and there is almost exactly the refrigerator that we've been wanting to replace. This beat up poor guy that came with the house, actually, and on clearance in the color we kind of wanted, half price. So I guess I'm going to replace the filter and the refrigerator.